This video will show you how to import materials into the System Materials and Labor library. It may be used to import materials that do not already exist or to update existing materials using the item's reference code. Firstly, you must have access to allow this function, and this is set in your system settings by your administrator. Next, go to the Materials and Labor import function, which is located under the Materials and Labor library menu. Then, you must ensure that the spreadsheet is in the correct format and saved as a text tab delimited document. An example template of the required format can be downloaded from the import function screen. Enter all your required materials using this template as a guide. Make sure that you correctly label the type to match one of the material types in your system settings, as this is used to locate the type of materials within the system. You will also need to match the job cost code to the relevant system classification. Once completed, you must then save this document in a text tab delimited format onto your PC, where you can easily locate it when commencing the import function. So we are now ready to import our materials into the existing library. You will see that all the existing materials will be shown in this screen prior to the import, and these may be filtered and amended here if required. To run the import function, click the Locate Import Document and Import Items button. On confirming that you wish to do this, you need to locate and select the required document to import. Once selected and confirmed, the system will import all of the items on the document. As it imports them, it will check if the item already exists using the item reference code, and if it fails to find a match, it will create the item. If it does find a match, it will update all the details of the item with the exception of the material type or description. If after importing the materials, we want to make an amendment, this can easily be done by double-clicking on the required item and making the required alteration. In this case, we spot an error that the cost was not entered against the item MDF Medit 2400 by 1220 by 18 on the document that was imported. We then double-click on it and add the cost as required. We now see that the cost has been corrected. To demonstrate how the same document can be used to update items already in the system, we have changed the costs on the items on the spreadsheet and saved it as a text tab delimited document. We then import this, and you will see that the material costs have now been amended accordingly. Something you need to be careful of when updating items from the import. Although the description and material type won't be changed, you could inadvertently remove all the other information if it is removed from the import document. So here, we have removed a lot of information from the original import and will now import it as an update. You will see that all the existing information was replaced with the non-existent or empty fields on the spreadsheet. As we have the original, I can reinstall that to get the items back to how they should be. So, thank you for taking the time to look at this short video, and hopefully it will have helped you with this area of Contract Controller. If you need more assistance or would like more information, please do get in touch.